Welcome to the AI and Data Science Lecture Series. It is 10:30 p.m. Mountain Time, October 28, 2023. My name is KC Santosh. I'm the chair of the Department of Computer Science, as well as the founder and director of the Applied AI Research Lab at the University of South Dakota. Following my extensive two-decade research experience and being an academic leader in computer science, focusing mostly on AI in the state of South Dakota, today, here is what I come up with. Without AI/data science tools, you are inclined to shutting down your business. And here is the context. AI tools are not for computer science or computer scientists. They're for you. Yes, I'm talking about academically to those non-computer science majors. Why is that? Let's talk about today's trend in data science market. 60% or more data analysts are from non-computer science majors. They come from humanities, social sciences, business, arts, psychology, and many more. Meaning, they bring problems or projects as they understand the sentimental values of the data, both in the beginning when they collect data and at the output when they make decisions. Understanding data sentiments is the only way to sell AI tools. Oh yes, we have just talked about business world. Now it's a time for us to ask the following questions. If you are a business major, think of yourself today and after 5 years, with or without AI tools. How about physics? How about chemistry? And biology? And similarly, medical science, media and journalism, education, and so on. Without AI and data science tools, I repeat, you are basically shutting down your business. And here is why. It is primarily due to big data. In today's data science world, where every bit of data has a meaning, for a small amount of data, we are aware of what's happening in there. When it comes to big data, then there is a strong need of data-driven decision-making process. And these days, I call it making sense of big data, where humans can't alone do this task. Making sense of big data is not just limited to healthcare, agriculture, energy, economy, and education. Therefore, we definitely have to look after data-driven decision-making tools. When it comes to energy, we're looking at optimization. Precision medicine is on the top of healthcare. Precision ag for agriculture. Risk prediction is one of the important tools that has been used a lot in finance and economy. AI tools for K-12 schools, which is we call economy. Education. Cyber analytics is no exception. Therefore, for all of these reasons, I'm pretty sure that you must be belonging to one or many of these topics domains I've just mentioned earlier. This means that this lecture series is for you. I consider these topics that are highly conceptual and are targeted to all kinds of domains. In other words, these are a really great deal for those data science and engineering scholars. And here is my quote of the day. Your domain is the hat, and data science or AI tool is the beautiful feather in the hat. That means AI/data science can make your domain stand out. I repeat, this AI/data science lecture series is not just limited to computer science or computer scientists. It is for all, specifically to those who need to crunch their data for a meaningful purpose. Thank you very much.